Hello, Honor Chem students. Mrs. Snyder here doing a quick video just to explain our almost last day, second to last day of Honors Chemistry as far as content. Want you to know about the usual kind of, you guys are doing a great job as far as getting work done. Today, what is unique is that there is a survey for you guys to take. This is really important as it will help me, and it will help Miss Hearing and the other chemistry teachers decide, like, if we do have to go to a distant learning in the fall, because we really don't know yet what we're doing in the fall. It will help us to kind of look at things over the summer and think about what we can do that was good and what we can do to improve. So please take that survey. It's very important to hear your feedback. Then, as always, there's the learning menu to go through. What's new on the learning menu is, I know that in yesterday's daily message, I said that the test was going to be 25 multiple choice questions. I misspoke. It is actually 30 multiple choice questions, 20 of those being conceptual and 10 of them being mathy, which will be like the worksheets that you have done. So those are available for you guys. And, you know, going through this is a great idea to get yourself prepared for that test. Also, in my daily message, which I don't have here yet, which I do need to update, I also want to let you know that I am going to the doctor today between 9:30 and 11:30. I just have to get a cortisone injection for my foot because it's been hurting a little bit, so it's not a big deal. So I am not really available in the morning. After 9:30, I won't be at my computer till 11:30. I will extend the afternoon out for anybody who wants to do a Google Meet with me. I'm offering that for you. Please just contact me and let me know, and I can extend it out a little bit, say till like 4:30 today, since I'm going to be missing some of that time in the morning. So let me know if you have any questions about the review or you would like to do a Google Meet. Hang in there. It's been a unbelievable term as far as what we've been asked to do. You guys are doing it. You're succeeding, and you know, we're almost there. Tomorrow's the end. So hang in there. Let me know how I can help. If you have any questions, you guys know that I'm here. Okay? So have a great day. Talk to you guys later.